Well, watch out, crypto investors. We've got numerous economic developments and crypto events this week, events that are tied to the macro that could impact crypto. A lot of different things happening with various altcoins. And this week, we're going to give you guys the day by day, hour by hour list in the video. So you get ready for the entire week. It is Sunday, September 7th. So we're heading into the new week. You guys know the markets turn back up as we get into Monday. And maybe I'll start making these kind of Sunday night videos for you guys just to kind of get you all squared away. If you like this style video, let me know down below in the comments. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're here every single day for you guys, grinding, putting out content videos every single day. And there's so much happening right now in the space. It's exciting. We're getting ready for Q4, and the crypto market just witnessed certainly some turbulent price action this past week. Surprise low employment data from the US caused a sudden drop in Bitcoin's price, but it has since recovered and is trading around 111,000 as we gear up for the new week. However, there are many economic developments, as I mentioned right at the top here, and altcoin events in the new week that could also impact your crypto. And so this video is for all of you, and we'll highlight a lot of different things here in the video. So make sure you guys stick around until the end. We'll start right on Monday. We've got some updates related to Ethereum, OKX, Solana, and Bitwise as well. So let's get into it, guys. Let me share my screen with you. Found a really good article that I just want to kind of work through here together. So you've got Solana Mobile Seeker season beginning on September 8th. That's tomorrow. New D-apps will be introduced each week on the Solana D-app store, offering new rewards opportunities, early access, and some perks. OKX is delisting a bunch of currencies here. Not a bunch of big names, but keep in mind, these will be delisted off OKX. Bitwise getting ready to decide on Bitcoin, Ethereum, ETF physical buyback applications. Look at this. Ethereum Fusaka mainnet will launch bug bounty program. Then we've got the Robinhood Summit starting on Tuesday. This could be interesting. Robinhood has went all in on crypto this year. Huge moves, of course, with tokenized stocks. They're becoming a massive player. Their stock price has been booming. But we'll continue to kind of monitor that with Robinhood Summit underway on Tuesday. A couple updates here for Solana and BNB. Binance will discontinue the commission rate adjustment mechanism based on BNB holdings. And then Wednesday, we've got U.S. Producer Price Index, PPI, monthly data coming in. The expected number is 0.3%. The previous number was 0.9%. So we'll see if we meet expectations or even come in better on Wednesday. That would be a big event there. Again, tied to the macro, but also impacting crypto. We know how much, these numbers and data, how much this is impacting the markets right now. And then Thursday, man, we've got a bunch of stuff. We've got U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI annual coming out. Expected is 2.9%. Previous is 2.7. U.S. Consumer Price Index monthly, expected 0.3, previous 0.2. U.S. initial jobless claims is coming out as well Thursday, September 11th. The European Central Bank also holding a press conference after the interest rate decision. And then, that same day, the European Central Bank will announce its interest rate decision. So this could be huge for the markets in Europe. And the expectation is for interest rates to remain unchanged right now. But we shall see kind of how that plays out. So a lot of things happening on the macro. So let's take a look at the overall charts here. And we can see here where things are right now. Bitcoin and ETH kind of, pretty flat here on the day. The market is trending up slightly. We're up about a little over 1%, sitting at 3.83 trillion in the global market cap. Fear and greed at 40. This is pretty good for the markets because we bounced off this range pretty hard back in June, if you guys see, right? We're about where we were back in June before we got a big price increase and Bitcoin's price got rocking and rolling back up to 118K. Of course, we, really saw Bitcoin's price take off at this stage. So we'll see. Does that capital now, return to altcoins this go around? And it is good to see kind of where we are in the CMC crypto fear and greed index. We're below 50 right now. So it is still, in my opinion, a good time to, accumulate your favorite assets ahead of what I think is going to be a strong Q4. Speaking of altcoin season, this is something I always like to look at. We're 54 out of 100 right now. And if we look at the assets that have outperformed Bitcoin in the last 90 days, you've got quite a few here, but still a lot to be desired. Crow has had a massive run up with their recent news with Trump media, obviously. Pengu's looked really good for a while. You see some familiar faces here. Link, Ethereum, right? We're slowly seeing that capital rotation. XLM, Arbitrum, Lido DAO, Uniswap, BNB, XDC, Solana. Polygon had a nice little pop last week. Cardano, Algorand, Bonk, Doge, AVAX. A lot of these assets, Ondo even is flipping Bitcoin here in the last 90 days, Ondo Finance. But quite a few aren't yet either, right? SHIB is still lagging. SWE has really been struggling, all things considered. I mean, they've had a massive run up early on in the cycle. We're still looking at a lot of these, assets to make a move, though. Injective, VeChain is going to be one that definitely going to be interested there. Pepe has been down quite a bit, right? And then Bittens Tau is another one way down here that I really like. So I'd be looking to accumulate some of these Caspa, that are trailing Bitcoin right now, because I do think with that this altcoin season index is going to flip as we enter Q4. I do think it's going to get better and better. Now, make sure you guys are signed up for the free newsletter as well. You'll be getting all kinds of information for free from me in terms of things I'm looking at, different assets that could be undervalued, and we're going to be coming out with something super special that is coming out, and you'll know all about it if you sign up for the free newsletter. So definitely do that. You won't hear about it otherwise for a little while. So if you want to be first to that, sign up for the free newsletter. It's totally free. Name and email is all we need, and you'll be rocking and rolling, ready to go. Now, if you want to come trade with me, we've got crypto.com on the exchange side. Super fast, super secure. Make your trades and take your trades to the next level with the crypto.com exchange. They've got tons of offers right now. And right now, when you sign up, start trading under my link on the exchange side for crypto.com, you're going to have no trading fees with whatever asset you choose for a full 365 days. You've got Supercharger as well. You can earn Tonic up to 17.5% APY, earn Solana up to 9.2% APY. These end very, very soon. The Solana deal ends in 2 days. So definitely take advantage of these Supercharger events through the crypto.com exchange and sign up using my link down below in the description for that. And appreciate you guys for watching. That's kind of what's on the docket for this week. A lot of macroeconomic data. We'll be right here every step of the way with you guys, breaking it down. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys are totally free to do that too. All it means is you're going to see my videos pop up more. And to help make this video pop off, make sure you guys hit the like button on your way out and subscribe. Always love hearing from you down below in the comments. Appreciate you all, and we'll see you in the next video.